We began just with two of us, me and my wife. We had four children to begin with. I was the only teacher. Went on to 10 in the second year, and we were about 29 in the third year.
Nestled in the foothills of the Shivalik range of the Indian Himalayas lies the once forgotten village of Purkul. On the outskirts of the bustling city of Dehradun and with a population of around 5,000 people, Purkul is a rural village where the traditional agricultural way of life is gradually being influenced by a rapidly growing, developing city. Many families in the area still lack basic education and skills, and unemployment as well as cultural and social problems keep them locked in a continuous cycle of poverty. Families often struggle to survive on a low single income and have a little opportunity to improve their life. The children do not have access to properly managed primary schools, good role models or support services, and as a result lack the motivation and opportunity for a better life.
We used to lay chairs and tables, and there was no partition, nothing. Small groups used to sit and we used to teach them. So finally we took a cowshed and we had movable blackboards there and carry our own chalk boxes and dusters.
My name is Khalid Mundir.
Here in PYDS we are participating and showing us talent.
I am 11 years old.
All the facilities are very good here.
I belong to a very poor family. My father is a labor and I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers.
I am very happy that I have got this opportunity to study here.
We study English, Maths, Science, Hindi and computers, and arts and computers are optional subject. We have to choose from that, and I have opted for computer science.
The building has made a big difference. The quality of our teaching and coaching has helped improve dramatically.
We try and give them as much as we can, emotionally also, morally also, and obviously in education we are helping them out with all their problems.
Being a science teacher, I always wanted that science is a subject where more and more of practical knowledge is required. Without equipments, without a space, it's difficult to do experiments. We have got all equipments and our children are practicing experiments.
Now we want to provide a total balanced diet for the whole day, so the children will not only grow well, and we are now also having schemes for their physical fitness programs, games and yoga, and we are also addressing in some manner their emotional and their spiritual growth.
In other schools there is not that much relationship between a child and a teacher, but here we are more like friends.
The work continues. As you can see, there are people working here all the time, trying to make different parts of the school. They've even salvaged, as you can see here, from demolished buildings, windows, doors, just so that the cost of construction is as low as possible.
Now they all have hope, they are dreaming big, and I know that these dreams it is that is going to take them forward. Because more than skill, more than knowledge, it is hope, the hope of a great future.
Our students work very hard and arrive at PYDS after attending their own day school, which means getting up at 4:30, arriving at school and then attending their classes.
Thank you.